Hello everyone, welcome back to Hard Reset channel. In today's video I want to show you how you can easily install apps from unknown sources in OPPO Find X6. So first open a browser and then go to downloads, and here you have the app, and here it's asking if we give consent to Edge for installing apps. Now it's preparing to install, and now we wait for it to install. We click the button and here we give our lock screen password, and now as you can see it's installed. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.